Now, we all know what a referee is in sports. They're usually the ones in the black and white stripes. They have yellow cards in their back pockets, maybe yellow flags. They have whistles. They're teeing up coaches. They do all those kinds of things. That is not what a referee is in divorce world. Predominantly, referees in divorce world deal with personal property disputes. Why? Because our court system doesn't want to deal with your pots and your pans and your TV, and it bogs down the system dealing with personal property. Judges would much rather be entering orders that help children be taken care of, or help spouses get back on good, solid economic footing, or even dividing up money, than they would to deal with your stuff. So, sometimes judges and sometimes people in mediation will agree to a referee. Judges will appoint a referee, parties can agree to a referee. Either way, I'm not showing up in black and white stripes. What that means is you go and you meet with a referee, maybe on site, maybe in their office, maybe by Zoom, and they listen to your personal property and they make a recommendation about who should get what, how much what is worth, whether it was marital, whether it was separate, etc. It's not binding though. It still has to go to the court and be approved because the court has said, I want this person to help me out by doing this part of the case, but I, judge, still have to approve it. And that's the only way a referee is legal. You can't have a referee just say, here's my binding decision, go follow it. That's not how the law works. But that's how a lot of people think it does. So be clear if somebody's mentioning to you, we'll just go see a referee about our personal property. Is that really what they mean? Or do they want to go to a binding arbitration where whatever that person says is how it is, and you don't have to go back to court again? Seems like to me it's an unnecessary process to go back to court again. Just go to arbitration and get it done.